Hey friends, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic. How are you guys doing this afternoon? Happy Friday, or Friday as we like to say at our house. I am coming on live this afternoon because I am going to make some more decor balls. You guys know that I got that dough bowl for Christmas and I've been looking for things to put in it, and I have made several variations of moss balls. But now that Hobby Lobby, Walmart, or the craft sections are getting stocked back up, I found a better deal on the styrofoam balls, and so I wanted to show that to you today and show you how to make some patriotic decor balls. Super easy. All you need is some material, some ribbon, the styrofoam balls, and a hot glue gun. Or you could probably use Mod Podge, but I'm going to use hot glue today and show you how to do it. So I found the styrofoam balls that I was buying at Hobby Lobby. They can be a little pricey for the bigger size ones. I showed you guys how to make your own out of newspaper and tape, they worked out really well for the moss balls. They wouldn't work for what we're doing today though, because you need something a little bit sturdier for the material to go on. I say that, but I haven't tried it. I might have to try one and see if it would work and hold up. But we're going to use styrofoam balls today, and I found these guys. I was at Walmart the other day perusing the craft section, and these are probably about 3 inches in diameter. Does it say? It doesn't tell me, but I'm going to say that that's about, well, I'm sorry, it does. It says 2.8 inches, so I was a good guess, about 3 inches in diameter. So they're just the average size. But I got this whole big bag of 6 for like $2. It was a steal. So I scooped them up. I'm like, I'm gonna do something with those. And so if you, you know, of course at Hobby Lobby you can always use your coupon, and you can catch things on 50% off. That's when I bought mine. So I got the bigger balls for half price. So you can always use your coupon, or you can try to find these at Walmart, or sometimes I think they have them at the Dollar Tree, but you got to be quick to get them. So we're going to work with these today, and then I just have some fun patriotic ribbon that I scooped up last time I was at Hobby Lobby. So excited. Hobby Lobby is back open. It's like my happy place. And I got stripes, red, white, and blue. And then I have, you remember last week, I think we made the flag with the bandana and the eyelet ribbon that came out so cute. Well, this is my leftover bandana. And all I've done is just cut it down. These strips are about 8 to 10 inches long and about 1/2 inch to 1 inch wide. And so I just strip those down. They don't have to be perfect. They don't even have to be that exact length. Can't talk today. This is just, I cut them down where they all are kind of similar in size. So, and I have my hot glue gun warmed up, and I've already made a mess with it. Typical. And so we're gonna get going. This is super easy. Again, y'all know I like inexpensive and easy crafts. Those are the best kind. And so all I'm gonna do is put just a little line of hot glue. You could certainly try this with Mod Podge, or even Elmer's glue would probably work, but I have my hot glue gun out. So I'm just gonna get a good size strip, and just, I'm gluing the end down. And then I'm gonna wrap it, and just because we're doing a circle, I'm just gonna kind of do a twisty twist about halfway, just to help. And this was kind of a longer piece. I'm just gonna glue maybe just a little dot on the corners, just a little bit. Be really careful, because hot glue, it's hot, for real, they weren't lying. And the little balls are slippery, so you could burn yourself. Just be careful. And then there's no rhyme or reason to this. You're just gonna, you know, come over a little bit. I'll put down a little bit more glue to start my end piece. And we're going to tack it down, come around, twist, and just go. And we're just, like I said, no rhyme or reason. You kind of want it to look, I mean, it's supposed to look like a rag ball. So again, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just really trying to cover the styrofoam. And isn't that cute so far? Super cute. You can do this. I happen to have ribbon, but you can use any size ribbon. This is a smaller ribbon, but you can use any size ribbon that you find or that you have on hand. Of course, you can certainly use any bandana. You could use scrap material. This just happens to be what I had on hand. I really thought about cutting up that pair of jeans I was working with last week and trying that, but I thought that might be a little too heavy for this project. I've got so many patriotic craft ideas with that pair of jeans. I'm for sure going to make a banner out of them, and I'm going to show you that later this next week probably. Yep. I'm going to get my money's worth out of those jeans. I think I told you guys that last week. I love when I can take stuff that's meant for the trash bin and turn it into something fun. Something pretty. That one was kind of a wrinkled piece. Oops. And again, no rhyme or reason. We're just trying to get the styrofoam covered. And hopefully people won't look at it and go, that was a styrofoam ball. They'll just say, oh, look at that cute patriotic decor. That's what we're going for. Oops. The fun part about glue, hot glue, is all the little wispies. So. Alright, we about have this one covered. It's so stinking cute. I do love some patriotic decor. I think I might have enough bandana to do a couple of these balls. I wasn't sure how much it was going to take to cover one. So, but again, if you want to mix and match, I'm trying to see. I think I about have it covered. This might be our last strip. If you want to mix and match your ribbon together, that would be cute too. Alright, it was cool. And then if you have any like lips, you see how that's kind of flaring up. I love the raw edges though, but you can kind of, I don't want to touch it. I don't have, do I have a popsicle stick? Hold on. I'm talking to myself. Do you guys ever talk to yourself when you craft? I don't want to touch it. Let me use the end of that. There we go. It's kind of got that down. All right, that's it. The little raw edges actually are kind of cute. They add to the charm. But isn't that the cutest thing? Just a simple, easy breezy little decor ball. You could put it in any little, you could put it on your mantle with some other, you know, put it in a bowl. Super cute. So now we're going to do one with the ribbon just because it's a little different dynamic. I love these. I'm going to take a picture and show you. See, I still have plenty left over, so I think I probably have enough to do another one. We're going to do one more, and I think I'm going to use the stars just because they're cute. So, I think we might be doing a giveaway craft soon. So you guys keep watching the crafts. you could win something. That's always fun. So I didn't even cut this ribbon. I think I'm just gonna twirl it around and see what happens. I glued the end down, and I'm just gonna wrap it like I'm making a yarn ball. I don't know if my mom used to crochet, and she would always get the skeins of yarn, and after she would use it, if she had several of them that had been used and opened, she would have us make the yarn ball. So after a while, you know, because when you use them too much, they can get tangled. So my brother, one of us would have the yarn wrapped around our hands, and the other one would be over there making a yarn ball, and we just thought that was the funnest thing ever. So that's kind of the same concept here, but we're just going to take it and we're just going to kind of wrap it around once straight. I may go ahead and just put another dot of glue right there. But yeah, so y'all make sure y'all are watching it, because sometimes we do giveaways, sometimes we do special announcements, so you never know. And we're going to make that banner next video. So I'm just kind of moving my ribbon over a little bit and going around. I might crisscross over here and come on the other side. No rhyme or reason. We're just going around. Kind of crisscrossing in the middle. We get a little extra going. Anyway, make sure you show our videos, sprinkle the love on Facebook. Facebook likes that. And we like that. It just kind of helps us get the word out. All right, and so we're just kind of slowly working our way around. This is so cute. I love these stars. Love it. Just kind of throwing that out there. Oops. Once I get all of it covered, I'll just come back and we'll like fill in the gaps. Okay, we're getting there. If you guys are enjoying crafting with us too, I always have a lot of fun hanging out with you guys. Don't forget to check out, and I'll repost it here soon. Look on our Facebook page and check out our Craft and Chow announcement. We are super excited about this. That is going to be our monthly subscription box membership, where you can get a craft in the mail every month, a project kit, and we'll craft it together. All right, super fun, and I'm so excited about that. All right, I might have to, I think I can move some of these over. Nope, just gonna keep doing what I'm doing without, this is just like making a yarn ball. Was thinking I could just scooch some of these over, but they might be beyond. Nope. All right, I just think I have a couple more spots that I need to cover. Just kind of twist it, play with it till you get them all covered. I think I've got it all covered. I think so. So now I gotta switch hands so I can cut. All right, this would be a fun craft with kids. If you want to do it with kids, I would recommend probably Elmer's glue or the Mod Podge, just so they don't burn their little fingers. But all right, I'm just gonna put a dot of glue there. Oops. Got myself. Okay. Cute. I might have to fix that little lip situation. I have to move it over just a little bit, and that's okay. You can kind of adjust the ribbon. It's tight, but it is moving a little bit if you have any accidental openings, but cute. There you go. Isn't that cute as can be? Simple ribbon. This ribbon cost $1.99. So that was super fun, and it looks really cute with the bandana ball. This one was really easy. The bandana that I got, they're 99 cents at Hobby Lobby. Sometimes at Walmart you can get like a whole pack of them, and this actually was leftovers, right? Again, any leftover material that you have, any ribbon that you have on hand, just scraps, super easy. And the styrofoam balls, I got 6 of them for a couple of bucks at Walmart. I didn't even know they sold these at Walmart. I guess because I've never really looked for them until now. And I was like, what? Again, these are just 2.8 inches, so 3 inches in diameter. So if you want the bigger ones, those are a little bit more. But these are, I think, the perfect size to go in any bowl and just brighten up any decor. So that's our patriotic craft today. Super easy, super inexpensive. You can do it with the kiddos and get them involved. Have them tear the bandana. Once you snip the end, they tear pretty easy. That would be fun for them to do. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this craft. If you did, make sure you hit those dots up at the upper right corner and subscribe to get notified when we go live. You can watch us live, hang out with us. As always, we would love that. We love to just hang out with you guys and get to know you better. And if you can't watch the live, you can always watch the replay. Let us know. Just hit replay on the comments and sprinkle the love on Facebook. We love you guys. Until we see you again, happy crafting.